Hi all, welcome back once again to SAP Solution by USP channel. Today topic is to whenever you created the purchase order, the price that will be taken like determined from the purchase info record price on the basis of the pricing condition. So I will demonstrate today like how the price that will be determined from the PIR, and if the any price that will be changed in the PIR, how we can able to fetch the price in the PO condition level through manually as well as through BAPI process. So if you still not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and click on the bell icon to get the more new videos. Let's get into the topic. For that I will create the one PO. I will go to the PO creation. As of now, I will create the PO. Already I made one dedicated video for the how the PO line item price based on the delivery date that will fetching from the PIR pricing condition with specific to the PO line items. If you still not watched that video, I will give the link in the above. Watch it and you will get more insight on this. That's the reason I am taking the same PO number as I demonstrated earlier. So here, if you can see, I maintain the purchase info record, and you can see I have that like a PO's creation date is like a 2025 is the year, but I am just for the testing purpose I am making the delivery date as a 2024. I want to fetch the price on the basis of the year. Each year I will maintain the price in the purchase info record. If I go to the PIR, I will click some condition, I will taken as a PBOO with a dependent condition. I will click and I will go to the date wise. You can see whenever the delivery date that will comes on 2023 January to 2023 December, 80 USD is the price for the each, and in the consecutive 2024 years the 90, 2025 is the 140, 2026 years is like a from till end it will have 160 USD. So whenever the PO is created with the line item as a delivery date that will be comes within the condition date, the price need to be updated in the PO line item net price here. For example, you can see the delivery date I will maintain it as a 2025. Then I click on enter. Still system is not recognizing the price as a 2025 year what price I maintained in the purchase info record. If I go to the PIR, I will demonstrate you once again what is the price I maintained for the 2025 year. You can see from 1/1/2025 to that 10th of October to like October month 2026 I maintained as 140 USD, and system need to recognize 140 USD, right? So for that we have like two options. One is again manually. If I change the delivery date after the creation of the PO, the net price need to be determined through the conditions. If you want to update the price, then you will need to go to the condition, then you need to click on update, then you need to select a B like a pricing type is like a carry out new pricing. Once you click on new pricing, you can see the price of the 2025 delivery, what is the price we maintain, that price is capturing here. I just saving on it. Okay, this is the one of the method. Then I will take the same PO. Now the second option, I will change the date to 2026 of January. I will check here in the PIR what is the price I maintained for the 2026 validity period. 2026 November, right, I maintained 160. So I will go to the PO, I will change the delivery date. Okay, I'll change the delivery date is okay from 4th November. So whenever 2026 whenever the delivery date comes under, the price need to be updated as a 160 USD as we saw in the PIR. I will just save it here. Okay. How we can able to update through BAPI? I will demonstrate you. That's the reason I will copy the PO. For the functional module, we will to go to the SC37. So just like the update of the PO, the changing of the any of the PO, the BAPI is like a BAPI underscore PO underscore change. Then you click on test or execute. Then you need to maintain the one testing data. I will maintain the testing data, so I will paste the PO number here in the purchasing order. Then in purchasing order header, you can just click on here, and if you go to the single entry, and you have mentioned the PO number here. Click on OK. Come back, and the second option is saying the same thing. Like you mention the PO number, right? The particular field you want to make it as a X. I mentioned the PO number only. That's the reason the equivalent field I making as a X. That will the field that will be I made it as a entry. And click on OK. Then what I need to do? I need to do in the condition. I need to update the condition. Earlier, what I done it through manual process, through going to the each PO. I click on update. Then I go to the price, carry out the new pricing. Then system is taking the new price. But if you have nearly more than 10 or number of POs you have it, but you want to update the price with respect to the PIR price, how you can able to maintain through bulk? So that basis you need to go to the BAPI. So I need to update the line item, right? That's the reason I want to go to the PO line item. I will go to the details. I mentioned the first line item detail I need to update, and I need to update the conditions, right? So if you come to the below, you can see calculation type is there. Earlier also we taken as a B as a, I will demonstrate to you once again. I will go to the edit mode. You can see we taken as a B for the carry out new pricing, right? That's the reason here also we need to select B. So I will go to the condition type. Yeah, here I will mention as a B. Okay, click on OK. If you want, I will show once again here. If you come to the below, you have a condition type, I mention as a B. Okay, then the same field you need to be activated here as well. So with the indication of EX, I will go to the below in the PO item level. It's a condition type where it is. Yeah, here you can make it as a EX. Then click on OK. Come back and click on save. You can give your own name, like a own naming convention. I give you the PO price update BAPI run. This is the naming convention I given it. Then click on copy. This one is already copied. If you want to see the copy, go to the test data directory. You can see the data is already copied. To execute the BAPI, what we need to do? First of all, we need to find out the particular BAPI. Then you need to create one testing data. Then if you go to the functional module here, click on execute, go to the test sequence. You need to mention the BAPI. The BAPI is only the activation of the process, but those details need to be committed in the particular document, right? That's the reason I mentioned in the sequence. First, system need to run the BAPI underscore PO underscore change. Then system need to run the BAPI underscore transaction underscore commit. Here, what are the changes that have been carried out in the BAPI that will be updated in the particular document. So I click on execute. Here we need the data, right? That's the reason I created already data as I demonstrated now itself like a few minutes back. Those data I will taking from the clicking of the test data directory, and this is our testing data. Once you double click on it, you will get the same data, the testing data what you said it. Okay, this is item level, item level detail as well. Once you get the data, click on, once you execute the details, You can see the system is executed BAPI underscore PO underscore change, and come back and click on execute once again, because we have also maintained the sequence for BAPI, right? BAPI underscore transaction underscore commit, that those changes that need to be committed into the PO. That's the reason I need to run once again, then the process is completed. Then I will come to the PO. You can see in the 2026, the net price need to be updated as a PIR is like a 160 USD, right? Then I will go in the PO, I just display it. You can see the 160 USD, it will have be carried out here. In this way, we can able to determine the price on the basis of the PIR through manual as well as the through BAPI process as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.